Want better structure in your company's documentation? Does the process of entering data until the final report seem too long and complicated? Dreaming of a quality management system that's simple and flexible? The Landax management system is here to do all that and more. Straightforward processes and automatic reports give your business even better control. Landax is a complete online management tool that will streamline and simplify your working day. Ranging from quality management and EHS to project and risk management all in one place. Areas such as contract management, MOM, food safety and much more are all included. Choose from a range of product packages from one of the market's most comprehensive management systems. What Landax gives you: a system for all your needs, now and in the future. Access from wherever you are with Landax app. A dashboard that can be customized to you and your business. Integration and interfaces with several other systems. Complete freedom to scale the system to your needs and budget. Landax is already being used by companies of all sizes, at home and abroad, and in a range of languages. Download the demo from our website right now and you'll soon be experiencing what many others already are. Quality at every level.